Oy, wait lang. Oo nga. Parehas lang yun.
Pyramid.
Oh. So what?
Triangular pyramid. I see a horse. Bicycle.
How about the horse?
I think that it was walking. Aray? Pala yun. Yes, thank you. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Aray ko, telim na. Kawin naman kayo, nakikita kayo sa Wawawi.
The color.
Parang layo ng mukha mo dito. Tapa. Ganda nung nandito. Pagkakalim talaga yung mga camera mo yung mga binadilito. Parang ni-edit. Ni-edit lang pala yan pa. Paboy no, nakapunto yung ganito.
Naka-side lang.
Hindi, ako ng ganito mo. Jump, another turn.
Ano na nga yan? Saway na. Yan, stick, ano? Ano, what?
Kulap. The horse.
Tama ka.
Circular daw.
The people looks like Pasay.
Can you say about, what can you say about the, if you were in this there's collaborate. It says that, I observe.
Yes?
What kind of thing? Ano na? Ito na naman cruel.
Dito pa tayo, di ba? Dito ako dito.
Ano na?
Ayaw mo?
Wait lang.
Dagdag ka pa.
Ako na yung bibili.
Dito. Tawag na.
You want?
Dito sa biblia.
Blue sky. Waiting for more. Shining shimmer.
Shining and shimmery. Glitter pie.
His face is crumpled and wrinkled and muddy.
Something fishy.
And it smells fishy. Not bad.
Tapos na? Okay.
Wow.
Boom boom pow. Ang kailangan namin ma-discover. Wala kaming panggastos din. May no? Ayan no? Ayan. Ayan. Ayun no, super dami. May no? Ayan. Tsaka.
Subscribe mo na lang si Ma'am.
Oh!
Oh, what's that? Look at abstract painting. So, colorful butterfly.
Ito. Really? Parang ginagawa. Malandi na siya ngayon, ma.
Mas looks like peanut. Ano yun? Peanut?
Mami, sa brown ba yun?
I'm abstract painting right now. Anong symbolize niya? Symbolize.
Eyebrow pen.
Yes, I symbolize. Symbolize. Yes, yes. Symbolize.
Symbolize. The Bill of Rights.
The Bill of Rights. The
Territory.
ex post. Ano ba yun? Ex post facto law. Yeah, I can describe how she's sad and she's dark. She needs makeover. Ay, butterfly yan, ma'am? Ay, oo nga.
So they are different shape. They have a different shape. Okay, such as. How can I describe this shape, Ma'am?
Ano, sige.
What do you see? What do you see?
A curved shape. Curved here. Curvaceous shape.
Division. Line is... I'm sorry. Yes. She's a happy person, and she needs more happiness because when her smile out, I think her kid is gone.
Ay, ano, full of clouds?
The clouds are full of emotion. It looks like clouds, but okay. It looks like it's full of emotion.
Ano pa? Ano ginagawa ng balong?
Tapos ka na dito? Ang tapos na dyan si Joy. Ayaw nga pala, no? Sorry, ah.